Hey guys, this is Mr. Golias, and we're taking a look at how do I do a screenshot. So it's not a screenshot. They don't vary by different websites or materials. It's just this is how you do them. So I hit the start button in the lower left-hand corner. We're going to use what's called Snip and Sketch. So I have to go down in alphabetical order. I would right-click it and pin it. Mine's already pinned, but this is what you would click, so it's pinned. Here's mine right here pinned. So once it's hit, all I'm going to click is New right here. And now I'm going to highlight what I need. I want proof that this is mine, so I'm going to just highlight like this, and then it shows up. Let's say I don't want this one. I can just go ahead, exit out, do a new one. Let's say maybe your game doesn't have as much. It looks more like this, where there's just a tiny bit of code, but I can show my username and it's ready to go. So I can just click, come back to Snip and Sketch, click New. I'm going to highlight it's got my code and it's got my name. There we go. I'm going to click the copy feature right there. And then I'm going to go after my sketch, I'll right click, or actually we're going to want a new slide. So I'll hit new slide and then I can paste it, and then I can adjust the size to make it fit. And that's it. That's how you do it.